We have discussed before that in every measurement or every measured value, there is always uncertainty associated with it. The uncertainty is the difference between the measured value with the true value. This determines the accuracy of your measurement, and the accuracy depends on the instrument or the measuring device we use to measure quantities. If you measure the length of this block using a regular ruler, your measurement is reliable to within 0.5 millimeters, which is half of the smallest division. And if you measure the mass of this block using a digital balance, this balance can measure to within 0.01 grams, which is the smallest digit of the instrument. This is how we estimate the uncertainties based on the instrument we use. The uncertainty of a measuring tool that has a scale, such as this ruler, is half of the smallest division, and the uncertainty of a digital device is the smallest digit shown. To quote the uncertainty in the measured value, we write plus minus and a number indicating the uncertainty. The length of this block, measured using a regular ruler, is written as 5.70 plus minus 0.05 centimeters. From this, we understand that the actual value lies between 5.65 and 5.75 centimeters. And the mass of this block, measured using a digital balance, is written as 123.45 plus minus 0.01 grams. Let us come back to this discussion for a while. We said before that we could use the concept of significant figures to determine the uncertainty if the uncertainty is not given for you. However, you will see in a moment that the uncertainty sometimes could be ambiguous unless something is said about it. This is what we mean. If we say it is about 150 kilometers from Jakarta to Bandung, we usually mean 150 plus minus 10 kilometers, as we have discussed before. In this case, the actual distance lies between 140 kilometers and 160 kilometers. But if we say exactly 150 kilometers within an accuracy of 1 or 2 kilometers, we usually mean 150 plus minus 1 kilometer, or 150 plus minus 2 kilometers. As a general rule, if not stated explicitly, the uncertainty of a measurement is determined by the number of significant figures, and the uncertainty is assumed to be one or a few units of the least significant figure. Example: if it is exactly 150 kilometers, we write as 150 point kilometers with 3 significant figures. Written with a decimal point after the zero, we know from here that the zero is counted as significant figure, and this is the least significant figure. 1 and 5 are known to be correct, while the zero here is uncertain. So the uncertainty is assumed to be 1 unit of the least significant figure, in this case plus minus 1 kilometer, or a few units of the least significant figure, such as plus minus 2 kilometers.